Hello everyone. I just want to share with you the answer for the problem that we were working before, and I just found a way to answer this one. The question was Bonita has 2.95 in dimes and quarter in her pocket, and she has five more dimes than quarter. How many of each coin does she has? So the easier way to find this one will be to write a sort of table, and the table will have the type of uh, coins that you are using, the number, how many of the coin you have, the value of the coin, and the total value. Let's do that for the problem. That will be the way we will be answering this one. So the first they said the total value is 295. I will write down at the very end in dime and quarter in her pocket. So the type of coin is dimes and quarters, right? And they say if she has five more dimes, so she will have done quarter, she will have quarter plus five. Why is that? Because dime will be on this one five more dime than quarter, and quarter will be Q. The value of the dime is 0.10 cent or 10 cent, and the value of the quarter will be 25 cents. And the total value will be the multiplication of 0.10, the value, times the number Q plus 5, and the second one will be, sorry for the interruption, I'm getting some notification. And the next one will be multiplying the value of the quarter times Q. And that addition had to give me $2.25, $2.25. Let's solve and find the Q, and then if we find the Q, we can find the dime, because dime will be equal Q plus 5 and quarter is just Q. Let's do the following. 0.10 that multiply Q plus 5 plus Q that multiply, or let me do the other way around. 0.25 that multiply Q, that will be 0.25 Q equal to 0.95. Let's solve for this one. First times first, first times second, that will be 0.10 Q. 5 times 0.1 will be 0.50 plus 2.25 Q equal 2.95 here. Next thing, I want to group the Q value, the quarters. I want to group these two. So adding 0.10 and 0.25, I will get 0.35 quarter. Again, I'm adding 0.10 and 0.25. If you do the addition, that will be 5, 3, and 0.35. And still I had the 0.5 on the left here, and that will be equal to 0.95. Next thing, I want to find the value of Q, so I had to leave Q alone in one side, so I subtract 0.5 here and subtract 0.5 here. This cancel out. If I subtract 2.95 minus 0.5, my answer will be 5, 4, and 245. Then I will continue here on the right, 0.35 Q, and that will be equal to 2.45. Next thing to do is Q will be equal to 2.45, because I had to divide by 0.35 on both sides of the equation. These two cancel out, and I go Q will be 245 over 0.35. Doing the division, that will be 2.45 divided 0.35. My answer is 7. So I have 7/4. That will be the answer for this one. I need to find how many dyne will be. Q plus 5. So dyne will be, let me move this to the right. Dyne will be equal Q plus 5. In other words, 7 plus 5, that will be what? 12. So I have 12 dyne and 9 and 7/4. And that will be the answer for the problem that I was presenting before. The critical part here is to set in the table, and I'm going to explain again. You write the type of coin that you want to use, how many coin do you have, the value of the coin, and then doing the multiplication. On the problem, they say 5 more dyne than quarter. That's why I write dyne equal quarter plus 5, because you have 5 more. And quarter I will write as a Q. The value of the dyne is 10 cents. The value of the quarter is 25. 10 times Q plus 5, 0.25 times Q should be equal to the total. And I made my equation, this one that you see here, and the rest is solving using the regular algebraic equation. First time the first time the second, I got this, and the second one is 0.25, then grouping the Q's, the quarter, and solving for Q. Once you have the Q, you go back and replace the dyne by the Q value, and that's all that will give you the answer. Thank you for watching, and see you again soon.